Welcome back. Today we're going to make something that is quick, simple, and easy to make. I used to make this for my husband and my kids when they were little all the time. And now I make it for my grandkids and my great-grandbaby, and they love it. It's quick, simple, and easy. This is Jello pudding. It's the cook and serve kind, and it's the family size, which requires 3 cups of milk. And you have to stir it constantly. Just follow the directions. So let's get started. Okay, so now I am stirring. It's 3 cups of milk, and you can use any type of milk you want. My daughter has us on a health kick, so I'm using silk milk here. Not almond milk, she bought oat milk. I've never had it before, so we're going to try it and see. And I do apologize. I have parakeets, and they are quite noisy. So please look over that. And I'm going to keep stirring until it gets thickened. So now we have finished making the chocolate pudding. We have it in our glass containers here. It was enough for 4. And so what we want to do now is garnish it. So make it pretty and taste good. And what I decide to garnish it with, we're going to put a little toasted coconut on each. I toast my coconut and pecans. So just spread the coconut on each as much as you want or as little as you want. And you don't have to put any at all. But my family loves coconut and they love pecans. So I have the toasted coconut. I also toasted the pecans. Roasted pecans taste so much better. Now when I put it in my chocolate chip cookies, I don't just put the pecans in there straight out of the bag. I always toast them first, and they have a much better taste. It's looking good. Have a little bit more left. What I'm going to do next, we're going to put some chocolate chips on it, just to make it look pretty. Okay, we're not done yet. And then to squeeze some Hershey syrup on it, just a drizzle, kind of decorate it. And there you have it. This is what I gave my husband and kids as they were growing up. The kids would come home from school and I would have this in the refrigerator for them, and they loved it. So there you go. And once you get it all garnished and all, use some clingy seal and wrap it in the seal and put it in the refrigerator. And it is so delicious. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.